Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churros without piping tip easy method. Measure and melt butter with water, bring to a boil, add flour and stir until a dough forms, cool slightly, then beat in eggs one at a time. Transfer dough to a zip bag or paper cone and snip a corner the size you want. Keep oil hot, pipe strips, fry until golden, and toss in cinnamon sugar for serving. Start by heating water and butter until melted, then stir in flour until the mixture clears the pan and forms a smooth ball. Allow dough to cool enough so eggs won't cook, then beat in eggs one at a time until glossy and pipeable. Load into a zip bag or paper cone and snip the corner to your desired width. Practice piping a few strips on a tray to test shape and size before frying. Keep oil temperature steady around 350 degrees F to get a crisp exterior and tender interior. Fry churros in small batches so oil temperature does not drop, flipping if needed to brown evenly. Drain finished churros briefly on paper towels, then toss in a bowl of cinnamon sugar to coat while warm. Offer dipping sauces like chocolate or dulce de leche and enjoy them right away for best texture and flavor with a crowd-pleasing presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.